So, the Great Guitar Build-Off 2020 is happening. I thought I'd throw my hat into the ring. And then the dog said, "Get back in the shed, you idiot." There's many big names and small names involved. A lot of people starting off with a kit and trying to modify it. Others starting from scratch. I thought I'd start somewhere in the middle. This body will get me part of the way there. I think I might strip it back down and go for a different pickup arrangement. But what more ridiculous neck could I come up with for this than raiding the scrapwood pile again for some offcuts of primarily OSB. One of these sheets of MDF will be the fretboard. Yeah, I am an idiot. So we start things off by drawing it around the neck template. Don't really need to worry about grain orientation. And then around the fretboard using a monkey pencil. And then we'll set about cutting them out. And now the neck. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that, but halfway through I thought my neck was twisted, but I think it turned out that this is twisted, or the sticker was on here was making it wobble. So I thought I would duplicate my templates so I don't mess them up, and I messed up the templates. So while this wood filler is drying, we're going to come down here and I'm going to cut the truss rod channel. Now, I had intended to do this before I cut the shape out, then I could use the straight edge of the board, but I'm actually just going to fix a board here to use as a guide. Stick this to the desk, and the job will be a good one. Where's the camera gone? Aha! So I'm going to route the channel for the truss rod. Now, originally I planned to do this before I cut the shape out, but actually it wouldn't have mattered anyway because my router doesn't come in twice enough to go along, and also I hadn't measured it straight anyway, so it's not plugged in. I will tape this down to the surface. I've measured this hole out, and then route the channel for the truss rod. Apparently I didn't film the first pass, which is a shame because the neck moved, unfortunately. I've put a screw in this end now, so hopefully that's gonna stay put. So on with the next passes. Might be a bit wonky. And I'll call that a success. A little extra persuasion to get the fatter end in. The job's a good one, I say. So for today, so that was a success. And for today, I think we're going to call it a good job. Next video, we'll be putting the fretboard on. Although, how do you tell the difference between a MDF fretboard template and a fretboard? Who knows? And then shaping the neck. Hopefully, see you next time.